Hey, it's Brendan here from Online Growth Group. I'm going to quickly show you how to add someone as a user to your Google Analytics, your Google Analytics account. So basically what you'll see is a gear icon. My face is actually directly over it in this video and I can't move. So in the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see a gear icon. I'd like you to click on that. Then I need you to go over to Property Access Management. Once you click there, you'll see with my account, I only have myself as a user, but you'll likely have your own email address here. Now, what I want you to do is click on this plus icon, add users, paste in the email to add. For instance, this will most likely be myself if this is me sending you this video requesting access. So add in Brendan at onlinegrowthgroup.com.au there. Then make sure this is ticked so I get notification, and add myself as an admin. You can also add different access for different people within your business, or certain people that need different access. So you might have someone that you only want to view the reports and not be able to have like further access to your account. But if it's someone regarding SEO or website management, likely you would need to add them as an admin for what they're going to be doing with your account. Once you've done that, you'll just need to enter that in and press send. So for example, Brendan, and you press enter, and then just click add on the top right. And that's all. I will then get an email asking me to log in and notifying me that I have access. Thanks very much.